Okay, guys, so let's do the weekly forecast for the last month of August. Okay, and first, let's come to the Forex Factory. So, here you can see on Forex Factory, today we have no red folder news, okay, on USD, and also today we have bank holiday on GBP pairs, okay. Tomorrow we have USD news, so we can anticipate some volatility tomorrow. Wednesday we have only CPI news on the odd pair. Thursday we have some news. Friday we have some news. Okay, and this week is going to be interesting for me because of fundamental right now going on USD, basically on America, because Fed is going to cut rate. So if they cut rate, there is going to be some uh, big volatility is going to come. Okay, and it's depend on unemployment claim, basically. Okay, so for example, let's say on Thursday we have this USD unemployment claims. Okay, you can see previous it was 232K. Okay, मतलब जो इससे पहले वाला मंथ में जो अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट क्लेम आया था इट वाज 232K. ओके, एंड अभी फोरकास्ट किया जा रहा है कि 234K आ सकता है. ठीक है, सो बेसिकली अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट क्लेम क्या है कि लेट्स से यूएस में अनएम्प्लॉयड लोग हैं. ओके, लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल 232K पीपल आर अनएम्प्लॉयड फॉर एग्जांपल. ओके, सो अगर ये नंबर ज्यादा आता है, ठीक है, अभी थर्सडे को अगर ज्यादा आता है अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट क्लेम, तो ऑफ कोर्स वो कंट्री के लिए वो अच्छा बात नहीं है, राइट. अगर अच्छा बात नहीं है यानी कि डीएक्सवाई वीक होगा. डीएक्सवाई वीक होगा तो बाकी जो एक्स 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 यूएसडी पेयर्स हैं वो सब बुलिश होंगे, राइट. बट लेट से डेटा आता है, फॉर एग्जांपल लेट से 234 के फोरकास्ट किया गया है. अगर 234 के आएगा तो ऑफ कोर्स DXY is going to be bearish. But let's say 230K आता है, okay, that is a good sign. Okay, okay, so let's and if you guys want to learn basically fundamental, you can come to my Discord channel. It's absolutely free. Here you will find one section trading education. So join this Telegram group. Here I posted videos on fundamental by Demat Capital. Okay, so you can watch his video to understand how fundamental work, how basically economy work in all country, basically. Okay, so if you guys want to learn, just join this Discord and go and join this Telegram group. Okay, so let's come to trading view and let's start with basically DXY. Okay, so currently I'm on weekly time frame, and let's check monthly time frame as well. You can see on after 4 day monthly candle is going to close, and you can see it's a very bearish candle, right? And we just right now grab this liquidity, this low, basically. Okay, this swing low. And let's come to weekly as well. So you can see we have grabbed this weekly external range liquidity. Now I want to see कि क्या मार्केट यहाँ से लेट से बुलिश सिग्नेचर देता है, क्या डेली बुलिश वैल्यू गैप फॉर्म होता है, एंड फिर मार्केट वहां से इस डेली बुलिश वैल्यू गैप को सपोर्ट लेके थोड़ा कंटिन्यू करता है प्राइस हायर या नहीं. ओके, सो आई एम वेटिंग राइट नाउ बिकॉज इट्स नॉट लुकिंग क्लीन. ओके, but I personally think we can go and grab this low as well. Okay, so I'm still bearish on DXY because you can see the current price action from this high to this low. It's very bearish, right? So that's why I am bearish right now, and maybe we can go and grab this swing low liquidity. Okay, so what I am looking, let's come to daily time frame. Okay, so let's say on daily we create, let's say this Monday candle consolidate or it form something like this. Maybe we'll create bearish fair value gap. Okay, on Tuesday. So on Tuesday, what we can anticipate, we can anticipate the price trade higher to this daily bearish fair value gap if we form. Okay, and इस अगर डेली बेरिश वैल्यू गैप हम लोग को अगर रिजेक्शन मिलता है डाउन साइड ऑन H1 H4, then we can look for basically sell. Okay, and we can target this liquidity जो हम लोग डिस्कस किए हैं अभी. ठीक है, so I'm waiting for the Monday candle to close, how it is going to close. Okay, and let's say it continue push higher and higher. Okay, then maybe we can go and tap this daily bearish value gap. Okay, एंड अगर यहाँ से हम लोग को रिजेक्शन मिलता है तो देन ऑफ कोर्स आई विल बी लुकिंग फॉर सेल, ओके. But it's interesting. Currently, still my bias is bearish. I'm not looking for long right now. Uh, if I see anything, of course, I'll update on Discord. And again, I know on last video, on last weekly commentary, I said कि that's going to be my last video for now. But this video is going to last, okay. And ये video last है मेरा अभी weekly forecast का. I'm going to take some break from YouTube, basically from Discord, okay. Maybe I'll upload some video on YouTube. I'll do trade breakdown and all, but right now I want to take break. I want to focus on myself right now, okay. And let's come to Euro USD. Euro USD looks little bit interesting, okay. So if you come to weekly time frame, so basically ना अगर आप GPUSD और अगर मैं एक बार GPUSD लगाता हूँ यहाँ पे, ठीक है. Just give me a second. Okay. So here you can see we have GBPUSD on downside and Euro USD on upside. Okay. So on GBPUSD you can see, let's draw a vertical line. Okay. So on GBPUSD you can see we have traded already above this high, right? You can see we already traded above this high as compared to this. Whereas on Euro USD we have not grabbed this high. So it can be an SMT or maybe यूरो यूएसडी में अभी भी इतना रूम बाकी है मार्केट को ट्रेड करने के लिए, ओके. अगर ऑफ कोर्स अगर हम लोग का डीएक्सवाई का बायस बेरिश है तो यूरो यूएसडी का बायस बुलिश रहेगा, ठीक है. एंड ये जो हाई यहाँ पे हम लोग देख रहे हैं वही चीज डीएक्सवाई में ये वाला लो है, ठीक है. सो डीएक्सवाई एंड यूरो यूएसडी इज मूविंग सिमिलर राइट नाउ, ओके. सो आई एम स्टिल एंटिसिपेटिंग कि अगर डीएक्सवाई बेरिश रहता है तो यूरो यूएसडी में हम लोग बुलिश सेटअप देख सकते हैं, ठीक है. But here as well you can see we have grabbed this high, okay. Then maybe this external has been swept, so we can do some little retracement, or it will be more interesting. Let's say this weekly candle close, for example, let's say weekly candle ये bearish candle close होता है for example, and we form new जो next week होगा, हम लोग weekly bullish fair value gap form करते हैं, तो that will be very interesting to look for long from this weekly bullish fair value gap, and we can target this high अगर ये high untap रहेगा तो next week, okay. So I'm going to wait this week, okay. उतना clean PA भी नहीं दिख रहा है, but you can see we have this high. And let's come to daily time frame. So same thing I'm expecting here as well. Okay, so we have this swept. Okay, maybe we can do some deeper retracement toward this fair value gap, maybe, or maybe we will form today, let's say daily bullish fair value gap, and this is our order block as well. So we can anticipate some long from this order block and can target that high basically. Okay, this high. So my first डिफेंस एरिया इज गोइंग टू बी दिस ऑर्डर ब्लॉक, या फिर लेट से हम लोग फेयर वैल्यू गैप फॉर्म करते हैं आज, ओके. एंड टुमारो ट्यूसडे वी कैन रिट्रेस टू दिस फेयर वैल्यू गैप, एंड इस फेयर वैल्यू गैप से अगर हम लोग कंफर्मेशन मिलता है लॉन्ग का, वी कैन टारगेट दिस हाई एज वेल, ओके. सो लेट्स सी, अगर लेट्स फेयर वैल्यू गैप फॉर्म नहीं भी करता है एंड मार्केट कंटिन्यू करता है ट्रेड करना डाउन साइड, एंड ये ऑर्डर ब्लॉक टैप करता है एंड ये ऑर्डर ब्लॉक से कंफर्मेशन मिलता है, देन आई विल बी लुकिंग फॉर लॉन्ग अगेन, ओके. But once this order block failed, then we can anticipate कि we're going to do deeper retracement to this fair value gap most probably. Okay, अगर ये order block hold नहीं करता है तो ठीक है. Okay, so let's come to GPUSD. GPUSD it's still goods. Okay, we're respecting all weekly fair value gap. You can see we respected here weekly fair value gap. We respected weekly fair value gap. And as compared to Euro USD, GPUSD is much stronger because you can see GPUSD already trading above this weekly high, okay, whereas Euro USD have not traded above this high. So GPUSD is still much stronger as compared to Euro USD. So let's see if when here also let's say we form this daily bullish value gap, then we can anticipate internal internal to external. Okay, if you form daily bullish value gap. USD CAD, nothing for me right now. Okay, it's very strong movement downside. Maybe in future we can come and tap this weekly bullish fair value gap as a draw on liquidity. But right now I see nothing in this pair, so I'll avoid. Euro odd was interesting little bit. Okay, so let me delete this one right now. So we can see we are at this weekly bullish fair value gap. Okay, but if we come to daily time frame, on daily time frame, you can see we have created kind of relative equal low, right? You can see relative equal low kind of. So what I'm anticipating on GP odd, okay? So I'm anticipating कि price एक बार और कंटिन्यू करे, डाउन साइड पुश करना, ग्रैब करे ये जो लिक्विडिटी है, मे बी ये लिक्विडिटी स्विप करने के बाद अगर कंफर्मेशन मिलता है लॉन्ग का फॉर एग्जांपल, then you can look for long, okay, because we are at this higher time frame level, okay, but right now it looks little bearish for intraday, or you can, if you get any setup for short, you can target this liquidity, this low basically, okay. So if you go to 4 hour time frame, it will be much clear, I guess. So if you see on daily, you can see we have kind of relative equal low. Okay, so kind of market maker sell model, right? You can see this was the buy side of the curve, and right now we're forming sell side of the curve. Okay, so we are at this 4 hour bearish fair value gap, this 4 hour bearish fair value gap. So if you get any 15 minute, 5 minute confirmation during New York kill zone, okay, you can look for basically sell. Okay, let's say New York kill zone here, you seeing some displacement on M15, let's say, so you can look for sell and you can target this low basically, okay. So this is right now I'm watching, okay. So for intraday, if I get any setup during New York kill zone, I'll be looking for sell and I can target this, okay. But once market will grab this liquidity and start showing me, let's say, bullish signature on H4, I'll be looking for long, okay. But for intraday, we can target this right now, okay. GP odd, so same thing here also. You can see we have tapped this weekly bullish fair value gap. We have grabbed this last swing low, right? And on daily, if you see what I'm looking, I'm bullish on this, okay, not looking for bearish move. So I'm anticipating कि अगर let's say daily bullish fair value gap market tap करता, चाहे ये वाला या फिर ये वाला bullish fair value gap, या you can see we have this order block, or you can combine it as a breaker block as well. Okay, so right now GP odd looks bullish to me, but just I'm waiting for market to either tap this daily fair value gap or this little daily fair value gap. And once we get confirmation, okay, once we get any long confirmation, then I'll be looking for basically swing. Okay, let's say market tap this daily fair value gap, H1 में confirmation मिलता है, I'll be looking for long and I can target this high as well. Okay, so on GP odd I am bullish, just waiting right now. Okay, and EuroCAD is not looking good. GBPCAD में वैसा कुछ है नहीं फिलहाल. Uh, we have this high on weekly. Maybe we can tap this order block, okay, and then maybe we can look for continuation, but not looks that much clean. We have to wait. I'll say Monday, Tuesday, wait karo. You will see some cleaner setup later on the week, okay. JPY में I was looking USD JPY only, okay. Still bearish on all basically GP JPY में bearish हूँ मैं, Euro JPY में भी bearish हूँ, but USD JPY looks good क्योंकि you can see वीकली फेयर वैल्यू गैप से कितना अच्छा स्ट्रॉन्ग रिजेक्शन मार्केट दिया है लास्ट वीक एज कम्पेयर टू जीपी जेपीवाई और यूरो जेपीवाई, राइट. इट स्टिल इनसाइड द फेयर वैल्यू गैप whereas USD JPY displacing lower, right. So we have this external range liquidity from with this weekly internal to this external, or we can see we have this swing low as well, okay. So on daily I am waiting for basically daily bearish value gap to form, okay. Let's say this Monday candle close, we form bearish fair value gap here, then again same thing, we will wait for market to tap this daily bearish fair gap, and अगर यहाँ से rejection मिलता है H1 H4 में, you can look for sell and you can target this external, okay. Of course if you get set up on GP or Euro GP, you can look for sell as well, but right now you can see we are in consolidation from long time, okay. You can see basically from around 12 days we are in just consolidation, okay, either in Euro pair or either in JPY pairs, okay. So आई विल बी वॉचिंग यूएसडी क्योंकि ज़्यादा क्लीन है, मार्केट ये लेवल रिजेक्ट कर रहा है, राइट. एंड इवन और जेपीवाई देखोगे तो वो भी कंसोलिडेट कर रहा है. क्यों कंसोलिडेट कर रहा है बेसिकली जीपी जेपीवाई यूरो जेपीवाई, क्योंकि यूरो काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्गर है. यूरो यूएसडी देखोगे तो यूरो यूएसडी क्या कर रहा है, कंटिन्यू कर रहा है ट्रेड करना हाई है, तो यूरो बुलिश है, राइट. और इसलिए यूरो बुलिस है, जेपीवाई अगर हम लोग डाउन साइड देख रहे हैं यानी कि जेपीवाई पेयर बुलिस है, राइट? सो दोनों पेयर जब बुलिस रहता है तो मोस्ट ऑफ टाइम यू विल सी कंसोलिडेशन, ओके? But USD JPY looks clean, so that's what I am watching. Okay, so waiting for the Monday to close basically. But yeah, during New York zone today, if I get any setup on Euro odd especially, okay, अगर Euro odd में कुछ M15 में ट्रेड मिलता है during the New York zone सेल के लिए, तो I'll be looking for market to target this sell side liquidity this low. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching this video. Um, I'm going to take some break and I wish you guys all the best for your trading. Uh, and yeah, one more thing I want to say, every weekend basically, not every day I'll be active on the group. Okay, most of the time you guys ask me any question, I reply within a day or within an hour. But right now I'm not going to be active. So every weekend basically, Saturday, Sunday, I'll check. Okay, if you guys have any question regarding my Udemy course or regarding anything, just post it in this question section. Okay, and every weekend I'll come and I'll see whatever question you guys have and I'll reply it. Okay, but during the week, I just want to focus on myself to grow my trading journey. Okay, to grow my capital. So yeah, thank you for watching this video, and again, good luck and take care, guys.